Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. This is what my socket set looks like right now, and this is what it used to look like. Big improvement, right? That's thanks to these Grips magnetic socket sets. This is a 3/8 inch version, and it comes with the SAE measurements and the millimeter measurements. These things make it so much easier to keep all of your sockets nice and organized and in place and easy to identify. They have these nice black measurements, so you know exactly where each socket goes. The other cool thing about these is they are magnetic. So watch this. The magnet is strong enough that all of these stay in place even upside down, but they are not too difficult to pull out. The other cool thing is the back of these is also magnetic. So if you have a metal toolbox in your workshop, these will easily stick on the side and will be very readily available without taking up any space. And the magnet on the back is super strong, so you won't have to worry about them falling off. So if you're wanting to get your socket set way more organized and easier to use and easier to put everything back where it goes, I highly recommend the site by Grip. But that's just my point of view.